So Dabbler folk, this is your new pack. This is the pack that's coming out for winter. This is for you to play with your slow food. To be honest with you, I chose these wines because all my triggers are fantastic smells, tastes that I had as a kid. I can remember walking in the back of the house when Mum had been making toffees for the school fete. And now, when I'm working with Muscat or antique fortifieds, I get that same caramelised smell. And I think those things, those really good things, stay with us forever. We also get to play with the traditional Cabernet Shiraz combination for Australia, which is, you know, when I grew up, it was all about Claret. And so we get to work with Cabernet Shiraz as a blend there, which absolutely loves meat on the bone. So when you slow cook things like lamb shanks or Ossobuco, you know, you get that caramelisation, you get that lovely texture where the fibres just fall apart, and Claret loves that. Cabernet Shiraz loves that. Get your crock pot out. Remember the crock pot? Get your crock pot out, put your apron on, do some slow food cooking, and I think there's some really, really nice flavours for you to work with.